Are you looking to streamline your social media management and automate your scheduling? In this video, I'll show you how to automate social media scheduling with Teamwork.com and help you get more out of your digital marketing strategy without the headaches of manual posting. Teamwork.com is a project management tool that's not only great for team collaboration, but it also includes powerful features to automate social media scheduling, saving you valuable time. Whether you're managing a single account or multiple, Teamwork simplifies the process. Once you sign up for Teamwork using the exclusive link below for a special free trial, you'll be able to create and manage your social media content calendar with ease. You can integrate your social media accounts, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, directly into Teamwork's platform and use its scheduling tools to automate your posts. Now, let's talk about how you can automate your social media posts step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is connect your social media profiles to Teamwork. This can be done easily by going to the integration section within your account settings, where you'll link your accounts. Once linked, you'll be able to schedule posts directly from the Teamwork platform. No need to open multiple tabs to manage different accounts. The next step is creating a task for each of your scheduled posts. You can add content, tags, and even upload images or videos to each task. This way, you can organize your content and make sure it's all lined up for your social media calendar. Teamwork allows you to view your posts in a calendar format, so you can see everything coming up and easily make adjustments when needed. What really makes Teamwork powerful is the ability to automate the publishing of your posts. After you've created your posts, you can set a specific date and time for each one to be published. This is perfect for businesses or marketers who need to maintain a consistent online presence without having to be glued to their devices. It's like setting it and forgetting it, knowing your content will go live at the right time. Another great feature to mention is Teamwork's analytics. By tracking how your posts perform directly from the dashboard, you'll be able to tweak your strategy and optimize future posts based on what works. This gives you a clear advantage when fine-tuning your social media marketing efforts. If you manage multiple accounts, Teamwork's permissions feature is a game changer. You can delegate responsibilities, allowing your team to handle different platforms or specific tasks within the social media scheduling process. This way, you can focus on high-level strategies while your team handles the execution. Now, you might be wondering, is Teamwork really user-friendly for beginners? The answer is yes. While it does have a lot of powerful features, its interface is clean, and there are plenty of guides and tutorials to help you get started. You won't feel overwhelmed as a newcomer. And don't forget, using Teamwork for free through our exclusive bonus link gives you full access to its core tools without any upfront costs. So, if you're ready to take your social media scheduling to the next level, make sure to click the link below for your extended free trial of Teamwork.com. Automating your posts, tracking performance, and collaborating with your team has never been easier. Don't miss out on the chance to supercharge your social media strategy with Teamwork.